Hello traders, welcome back to Nova channel. And let's continue a very important topic today, especially after the FOMC meeting last week. After the Jackson Hole meeting last Friday, the gold market made a strong move, but then it paused. Many traders are wondering, was the news from the Fed strong enough to push gold prices higher, or has the market already taken profits and is about to reverse? Today, we will analyze this event and the market's movements and outline specific trading scenarios for the new week from August 25 to August 29, 2025. And now, let's start with the news from the Jackson Hole meeting. Fed Chair Jerome Powell delivered a dovish speech, hinting at a potential interest rate cut in September due to rising downside risk to the labor market. This news triggered a positive reaction in the gold market, pushing prices from $33.21 to a peak of $33.78 per ounce. This makes a perfect sense as expectations of a rate cut typically weaken and lower bond yields, making gold more attractive. However, shortly after, gold prices returned to a state of consolidation, oscillating around the $33.64 level. This indicates that the market is reassessing the situation. Analysts believe that most of the rate cut expectations has already been priced into the market, which limits the potential for further upside. Moreover, U.S. inflation remains above the target, a factor that could make the Fed more cautious. In summary, although gold is still supported by a weak USD and safe haven demand, it is in a resting phase, waiting for a new signal. And now we will move to the next part, how to identify the key price zones by using technical analysis. According to the technical analysis on a 4-hour time frame, we can identify the following key price zones. Currently, gold is trading around $33.71, showing a clear state of indecision between buyers and sellers. Regarding to resistance zones, these are the ceiling prices levels where sellers might return in force. And we have the first mark, $33.87. The first and nearest resistance. If the price breaks this level, buyers will have more momentum to boost higher. The next level we need to pay attention to is $3,400 level. This is a key psychological price level. And the next one, $34.17. This is the next strong resistance level we need to pay attention to. On the other hand, regarding to support zones, these are the floor price levels where buyers might return to boost the price up. And there are two zones that we need to pay attention to is $33.51. This is an important support level that was a previous consolidation area. And next we will have $33.30. This is also the next strong support level we need to consider this week. The fact that price is currently positioned between the support and resistance zones indicates a clear sideways trend. Based on the analysis above, here's a few scenarios and strategies you can consider this week. And the first scenario, continued consolidation. This is the most likely scenario. The price will continue to oscillate within the range between the $33.51 and $33.87. The best advice here is to do nothing, to engage in extremely cautious range trading, or you can follow the VIB signal group in the Nova Super Scalping signal to capitalize on the market moves and increase your profits in a narrow range. And next scenario is gold continues to rise. If the price breaks forcefully and closes a candle above the $33.87 resistance, that will be a buy signal. The next targets could be $34.00 and then $34.17. And the last scenario is gold reverses down. If the price breaks and closes a candle below $33.51 support, that will be a sell signal. And the next target could be the $33.30 zone. And remember, with the current sideways market, waiting for a clear breakout and confirmations is the matter of survival. Do not try to trade within the consolidation zones if you lack experience, or you need a fellow to instruct you how to trade scalping style in a narrow range like Golden Girl. And in conclusion, the gold market is in delicate balance after the Jackson Hole event. While the fundamental news supports gold, most of it has already been priced in. The most important skill this week is patience. Monitor the key bright zones we have identified and only act when the market gives you a clear picture. And don't forget to like and share this video if you find it helpful, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next trading analysis and strategies. Happy trading and see you in the next video.